Okay, so I fixed up the extra driving lights problem at the front there. It had to do with these relays. And there's connections coming out from underneath here, and this earth was bad. So I've cleaned all that up, fixed that up, and I thought, well, while I'm here, I might as well take the blower out and just give it all a nice clean in here as well. So I'll be getting onto that. Just got to get myself some degreaser and give it a clean. And the blower itself, I don't think it goes any faster, but I'll give that a test as well. Okay, so the blower itself, there's plenty of air coming out of that. So it's not the blower that's a problem. It's what it's got to push through, what dirt it has to push through. So I'll clean all that up. So it's better I do this now and it's taken care of. Okay, so that's about as clean as I can get it. The overflow, you can see it down there, wasn't draining real fast, so I'll clean that out as well. Now I'll just put the hose in here so you can see. That's going to be coming out really fast there. See that, nice and clean now. I'll do the same for the center vent, make sure that it's all draining out properly as well. But that should be a lot better now anyway. Just showing you what I've done here. So I've got a bit of fire screen. Same thing I've done to my van. And I just taped it on there. So it's got a bit of slack because it's going to go over these here. And I could probably break those out of the way because it's only coming out. I've seen people break them and put filters there, but you got to break this apart and give it a nice cut there so you can get a filter in place. Putting this in just for prevention of leaves mainly, so you know nothing's going to get in there that's big enough, that's bigger than these holes here. And you'll see because it's slack, it's going to go over there perfectly fine. So just another idea, just like that. I don't know if you can see it up there. I'll try and get the camera on an angle. See how it's up there. So you can see how the mesh sits in there, or the fly screen I should say sits in there. So you will hear a little bit of a tear where the bits stick out. You can't help that, but that's going to stop any leaves now. I can feel that in there. Oh, there's my hand there. So I can feel that in there. It's still a bit loose in there, so it's all nice and good. Okay, she still needs a wash. Well, what I've done is I've sprayed Raptor paint along the top edges there, so it gives it a black line. You've got your charcoal grey standard colours there. Aircon still works. Raptor the beam light there. Those two at the bottom there, driving lights, they come on when the van starts. Raptor wiper blades as well, replaced the wiper blades. Wrapped it along here as well, but I didn't realise that there's a bit of, well, you can't see down there, but you can't see it from up here, so I didn't worry about coming back to it. That's the repair I did before. That's good. That's this side here. Around to the bumper at the back. Replace the white reflector with red reflector. So it's all good there. A little bit of a must do. Oh, of course I did. I locked the van with the keys in. I was playing around with the keyless entry. Good thing the van has 2 keys and 2 key fobs. No dramas there. Okay, so while I've got the door open. Okay, so 2 DIN stereo system, everything's looking good now. I couldn't get this to work. It comes with the head unit, but I couldn't get it to work. The head unit that was in here was glitching all the time. Sometimes you'd get a line across the screen, sometimes you turn it on, it'll be a blank screen, and then sometimes you turn it on and it'll be fine. So I replaced the head unit. It's not Android, but it looks like Android. So you got these controls here. I put carpet in the bottom here on one side. That side didn't look too bad, so I've just got mats in there. I'm leaving this box in here because it's custom seats, they're Kia seats, so this won't fit in my van. I know I already made one for Dean, but Whether it'll fit in here or not, I don't know. Anyway, that's to be decided later. Everything else in the van is so far looking good. I think I already said it, but I'll say it again. Aircon's still working good. I was only just running it a minute ago. So we're just about finished. I just got the... take those. I just got this piece to put on the front. I keep on forgetting to bring it here. It's at home. It's, you know, I just clip it on. No big deal. I just got to remember to take it out of the other van. Oh yeah, there's the driving light as well. That's well, not the driving lights, the beam light. That's optional. Using an original switch that was in here, so I can have it on with high beams or off with high beams by that switch there. Now we made it home nice and safe. Back to original owner.